Well, the objective of the course was to expose the students to the daily dilemmas, narratives and counter-narratives faced by the hospital administrators. Little more exposure on the support services, the need for professional management of hospitals, the clinical services, some exposure to the human body basics in order to understand what are the major procedures, what are the major pricing policies of the hospitals, and ending with the quality management in hospitals, and everything culminating into the students being able to create patient journeys of their own. I've planned in terms of the future trends that are going to change hospital administration, specifically the role of AI, robotic surgeries, how these developments are perceived to change the role of administrators, what are the doctors' take on that. From experience, whatever I have gathered, I have tried to structure that in form of this course and deliver to the students. In short, it's basically equipping them to understand the daily dilemmas, the narratives and the counter narratives that hospital administrators face every day. So the introduction of this course of hospital and healthcare management is a very welcome move by IIM Gaya. It has come at a very right time, as we see healthcare hospitals especially requiring a lot of professional services. Regulation is much more in practice rather than only being on paper, and it requires professionals, HR professionals, finance professionals, well-trained staff, NABH accreditations to run a professional hospital in order to maintain good quality care. And such a program is definitely going to equip young minds in managing hospitals well, professionally, with compliance, a lot of focus on employee satisfaction, patient care, patient safety, and this all is possible only if the best institutes of the country come forward and offer such kinds of programs. And I'm very happy that IIM Gaya is offering something very similar. It's a very welcome move. The teaching experience was awesome. I'm very proud to say that we have such an infrastructure in our home state Bihar. It's probably among the best infrastructure of education institutes that I have seen. The classrooms are very well equipped. The students are very inquisitive. We had very good interactions with the students. The hospitality obviously was just awesome. I would love to come back here. Thank you so much IIM Gaya for the hospitality, and I wish the students the very best. You will do wonders. Thank you.